Hey guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to another awesome video on the channel. So today's video is going to be like really awesome because this is summertime, right? So I thought, chalo, we'll start a new series known as Summer Tech Gadgets. So in this series, I'll be showing you some really cool stuff, and by cool, I literally mean cool stuff if you know what I mean. So yeah, in these episodes, in this series, what I'll be doing is I'll be collecting some really cool and weird gadgets, and we'll be checking them out one by one in this series. So today I have something really cool from Xiaomi, but before we go there, let me just tell you a small side story. So this is summertime, right? Usually summer, I associate summer with a lot of things. Like my favorite things are ice cream, and especially in childhood, summer means I used to really remember summer vacation. When I was in school, there was a small stationery shop just beside our school, and an uncle used to sell like really awesome and cool stuff, really loved by children. Especially when I was in school, guys, Pokemon and Beyblade were like really popular, and I was like really big fan of Beyblade. I used to have a huge collection of Beyblade. Now I know a lot of people, especially the 90s kids like me, associate a lot with this. So I used to have a huge collection of Beyblades. That uncle used to bring like new collection every week, and I used to like really fall for them. I wanted to have the biggest collection, and after school times we used to have even like Beyblade battles also. We all friends used to have like crazy Beyblade battles. Oh man, I really miss those days. So my dad was a bit strict during that time, guys. He used to say like, whenever I ask, hey dad, please can you buy me one Beyblade, I really want that, he used to tell like, okay, if you score good in your next test, I will definitely buy you that. And for that I used to like really study hard, get good results, and he used to buy me that Beyblade. So you guys might also have small stories like that related to summer, right? Do share with us, I would love to read them. Other people would also be quite interested, and they might recollect childhood memories. So do let me know in the comment section down below. Acha chalo, keep this aside. Let's just get back to our main topic for today, guys. So today I actually have some crazy tech gadgets from Xiaomi. It's their 2-in-1 portable hand fan, guys. Yes, this is a smart hand fan that comes with a built-in battery, and you can use it directly in your hand, or you can use it even as a desk fan. Awesome, right? It also comes with some adjustable speed modes in them, and today in this video I'll do a quick unboxing and show you how this thing performs. So let's get started. So here are the portable hand fans that I got from Xiaomi. I have two of them on my desk in two different colors, one in orange and the other one in sky blue. So this fan is actually made by Xiaomi's sub-brand called as VH. It does fall in Xiaomi's ecosystem and comes in this sort of box packaging. It's actually a 2-in-1 model, as I mentioned before. That means that it can be used as both a portable hand fan as well as a desk fan. And here it is, guys, the gadget that you all have been waiting for. The portable 2-in-1 fan from Xiaomi. That looks nice, right? And along with that, we've got some more stuff in the box, which includes a stand for the fan, so you can place a fan in that and use it even as a desk fan. Lastly, you've got some paperwork and a flat wire micro USB cable for charging. Now let's finally check out the fan. These hand fans are available in 3 different colors. I have the orange and the blue color variants. And from our first impressions, I have to say they look quite big in size for a hand fan. In fact, they look like mini hair dryers to me. I love the design as well as the color. It's got very good build quality. The body is entirely made of ABS plus polycarbonate material and has good shielding for the fan on both the front as well as the back sides, and comes with a big 3-inch 7-blade fan on the inside. So let me show you what all controls and ports are available on it. On the front side, you've got a single multi-function button which is used for both power on and speed adjustment. And going to the back, there's a micro USB port for charging and a tiny status LED indicator just above that. Well, that's pretty much it. That was our quick unboxing and look at the design and the build quality of the product. So now what I'll do is I'll give you all a closer look at it and talk about the modes and the performance of the fan. Alright, I'm back to continue the video. So till now we've seen the unboxing part and we've talked about the design and the build quality, right? So now let me tell you how this thing works and my experience using it. First of all, let me tell you about the modes, guys. This is a 2-in-1 fan, and you can use it directly like this, like a portable handheld fan, or you've even got a stand like that over there. You can just place it in the stand and use it as a desk fan. The choice is up to you. And keeping that aside, let me tell you the in-hand feel. It's got a very nice ergonomic design and feels quite comfortable when you hold it like this. Very nice to hold, and you can easily enjoy the wind coming out through it in your hand. Let me just power it on and show you. So it's got around like 3 fan modes on it, and wow, you feel that I can get this cool breeze from it, and I feel really calm and pleasant feel when I'm using it. Wow. So what I'll do is I'll just tell you about the different modes, fan modes available on it, and how they perform by giving you all a closer look. The Xiaomi's VH fan performs really well for a handheld fan. In mode 1, the fan is set to the low settings where it runs at 30% speed. This mode is preferred when you want light wind blowing at your face with minimum noise levels. It runs almost silent in this level and also doesn't disturb even when you place it on your desk while working. But again, the fan speed will be less and not that satisfactory. It consumes only around like 1.4 watts of power and offers the max battery life in this mode. Going to the second mode, now this is a bit better and more powerful than level 1. It offers like a perfect balance between fan speed and the noise levels. And to be honest, this is my most preferred mode as the fan delivers good wind with acceptable noise levels. I usually keep it in the stand and use it as a desk fan with the mode set to level 2 while working. It consumes around 2.5 watts of power in this mode and is enough most of the time. But during peak summer times, mode 1 and mode 2 are not that sufficient. You definitely need to push it to the max level 3 mode to satisfy your needs. In this mode, it gives you max performance as the fans spin at 100% speed and offers great wind flow. It feels very nice, especially during summertime when you hold it in front of your face. See, for one person or an individual, this fan is more than enough. But the only thing is, the noise levels also increase equally in this mode. Also, the battery life in this mode is reduced as it consumes around 4 watts of power. Just check out these clips, you'll get an idea on the noise levels. Finally, coming to the battery life totally depends on the mode that you're using the fan in. In the low speed mode, you'll get around like 5 hours of battery life, and when used in high speed mode, you'll only get around 2 to 2.5 hours of battery life. And charging it from 0 to 100 took me around like 2 hours. So that was our video on Xiaomi's VH 2-in-1 portable hand fan, guys. It's a very useful gadget, especially during this period, summertime. And I guess that was our end to first episode in this series. I have to say it's a quite useful gadget. The build quality is nice, performs well, and offers decent battery life. And the best part is you can even use it while charging. Quite awesome, right? But the only thing I felt was, see guys, the stand only offers you to place it like this and it's like in a fixed position. The only thing I felt was if the brand could make an adjustable tilt angle, so you can tilt the position of this fan where the wind should flow, that would have been awesome. But apart from that, everything else was nice. As I've told you before, the price of this fan is somewhere around 900 rupees. I bought them for 900 rupees each. The price also I felt is a bit expensive. If it was somewhere around like 600 or 700 rupees, that would have been awesome. So what do you think about this gadget? Do let me know in the comment section down below. And if you all like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you guys with a new gadget in our next video.